machine.
I remember learning this a year or two ago, that whenever you go to a website and you have to prove that you're a human, the thing that pops up is this picture, and it says, and it's a grid, and I just did it the other day. It says, click every picture that has a bicycle in it. And then another time it was click every picture that has a stoplight in it. And if you think these are just random images that you're trying to pick between, it's not. You're part of this really large machine learning process that you are helping confirm for these machines that are trying to learn how to drive autonomously. You are confirming what is a stoplight and what is a bicycle. Because as you said, when you have a machine that is driving a car, they need to know what is another vehicle, what is a bicycle, have that one line of code, do not run over the bicycle. Yeah, I think that is so interesting that we are now part of this huge machine learning experiment.
Yeah, we generate data with everything that we do. It's just how is someone going to use that data later on. It's interesting too, because you bring up the example of verifying, are you a human or not? Mm-hmm. So if I watch you pass that test, I can teach a machine how to pass that test too. And then another machine has to make a little bit harder test, and which baffles the first machine, but then I can teach it again. So it's just this evolving back and forth of proving that I'm a human when I'm not.
Yeah. Actually, one of the things you told me when I was at your lab, you're talking about trying to write a program to get a robot to actually click the button on that test.
I was able to borrow a FANUC industrial robot, 6-axis robot, and the one thing I really wanted to do, I think I've seen a video somewhere else, is move a mouse with it and click the button that says, "I am not a robot." And I did it, and somehow it knew I was a robot. So I was just ecstatic that I was first able to do it, and then also I don't know if disappointed is the right word. Maybe encouraged. It knew I was a robot, a different kind of robot than it was thinking of. But yeah, I think with a little more work, I could fool it.
So is this the whole machine learning, especially where it comes into the whole autonomous cars, and do you think that is something that we need to worry about?
I put it in the same category of things as like drug-resistant antibiotics that no one has there's obviously a danger there, and we all know the frustration of getting hung up on some computer-related problem, and it just it governs more and more of our life. Like, we just want to talk to a human sometimes, mm-hmm. but first we have to get through the layers and layers.
Yeah, that robotic woman's voice on the phone.
Right. Or that person who's happy to chat with me on this website and help me with my problem. I'm not more worried about it than I am any other technology necessarily. Mm-hmm. It has the same. Any technology can be used for good things or bad things. So it depends on the humans that are using them, mm-hmm. and their morality and how they use them. So I'm also afraid of how someone could use a 200-pound bowling ball. They mm-hmm. could roll it down the street and they could hurt me with it. Mm-hmm. Just like machine learning could have some negative consequences.
Thank you for watching this Nerding Out short. Click here to watch the full episode. Click the subscribe button and the bell notification to know when we put up new videos. To support the channel, head over to Nerdy Catholic Tees and purchase some nerdy merch of your very own.
System shut down.